your girl CG OnTrend, and I am back today with a wig review. Okay, the wig that I am going to be reviewing for you guys today is going to be the Outre Melted Hairline Audrina. Y'all, I have worn this wig, so basically it's going to be a reinstall of this wig because I didn't get to record it the first time, but me and Audrina, we besties. Like, I love Audrina. It's a middle part wig. It has the, the frontal hairline. The baby hair is included. She comes in a plethora of different colors. So I advise you, if you want an everyday wig, cute wig, go out and check out Miss Audrina because she is thebomb.com. You can put heat on her. She is heat safe. She has natural baby hairs. You can cut them off or leave them on. She's pre-plucked. Typical with the Melted Hairline series from Outre. But if you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. Go ahead and like this video. And next time, bring a friend. I know you got a friend with you watching this video right now. But if you don't, go grab one and let's get into this video. As you can see from the side, I have Audrina on my mannequin head, and as I stated, the lace is already cut off because I have worn her before. This is just going to be a reinstall because I didn't get to do one at the time that I wore Audrina. But she is definitely a keeper and a good everyday wig, a good work wig. She's definitely a keeper and she doesn't tangle very much. So I'm going to bring Audrina into the video so you guys can check her out for yourself. And here she is. Hello, Audrina. So as you can see, I have Audrina in a number 2. And the cap construction is the same as always. You get 2 combs at the top, which I have cut those combs out because I don't like how it feels when it's like pressed up against my head right here. So, because I like to wear my units kind of tight so that I don't have any accidents. So I usually cut these out. So I did cut those 2 combs out from the top, but the comb is still in the back with the adjustable straps. And it also has the elastic band. So this is going to help Miss Audrina stay in place. And I have the adjustable straps all the way to the center. If you can see that, I have them all the way to the center. So we're going to go ahead and get into the installation of Miss Audrina, which is going to be the same installation that I use for all of my units. I may be using one different product just to try it out this time, but other than that, everything else is going to be the same. So guys, go ahead and stay tuned and keep watching.
Trying to call your phone, but you leave me hanging with that busy tone. Admit it, you're still thinking of me. Admit it, you still want us to be. Alright, I know that I'm not sober, but baby, everything. I know that I'm the one who blew it, yeah. Let me show that we can make this work together. We can make it last forever. Tell me, baby, are my chances blown? Why did you have to leave me by myself alone? All I want is you to come back home. Why do you leave me hanging with that busy tone? Yeah, 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 busy tone. Yeah, 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 busy tone. Yeah, 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 busy tone. Yeah, 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 busy tone. I've been trying to call your phone, but you leave me hanging with that busy tone. Admit it, you're still thinking of me. Admit it, you still want us to be. Alright, I know that I'm not sober, but baby, think it over one more time. I think that we should take it slower. You say that it is over. Tell me why. Tell me, baby, are my chances blown? Why did you have to leave me by myself alone? All I want is you to come back home. Why did you leave me hanging?
So now that I have let this band sit on my head for probably about 10 or so minutes, I'm back. And we're going to go ahead and take this down and do the final touches to Miss Audrina. Let's start by just go ahead and taking off the elastic band, making sure that our baby hairs are laid like. And ooh, they are. Look at that. Ooh, they laid. My hair is laid like. Okay, so a few things with the products that I use. I was using, as you can saw in the video, I was using the Bed Head by TG or Tigi or Tiggy. I don't know how to say that, but I was using their Bed Head spray. I wanted to see how it worked because I saw a lot of YouTubers using this product to put their wigs out, and I was like, let me try it. So I got a small can, and what I will say about this product, it does lay the wig down and it is not going anywhere, but it does leave a white residue. So I did have to do some cleanup with this using this product. I did. If you know a way to not make this you have that residue, please leave that down in the comment section. I will gladly try that next. But I do like it. It just that it leaves that residue. So, and as you can see kind of a little bit of where, you know, it left the little residue. So yeah, I would definitely, I mean, like I said, I like it, but I don't know. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and comb out Mrs. Audrina. And I'm not getting as many tangles because like I said, she's not a long unit. She is a, so you can see me running my hand through her with no problem. And we'll just do this side. I know it sounds like it's tangly, but that's the metal bristles on my brush. But yeah, so, and again, once you comb it out, and it was just tangly because I had it in pushed back, but yeah. And you can use whatever type of brush you like. I like this brush because of the metal bristles, but I also use my paddle brush. So whatever you have to brush out your wigs, I'm sure that will work just fine. But like I said, not too much tangling. There is a little, but once you brush her out, she's good to go, as you can see. So, this is what Miss Audrina looks like. I'll give you a front view. This is the side. This is the back. And then this is the other side. So leave me a comment down in the description box, leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know what you guys think of Audrina. I'm probably going to wear her behind the ear with just a little hair hanging out. I'm going to have to go in and clean up that residue that I was telling you about. But yeah, I'm probably going to wear her just like this. I really do like the body wave. It's not a full curl. It's like a little body wave. But I really do like that in this unit. And yeah, I'm going to give Miss Audrina 1 out of 10. I'm going to go ahead and give her a 10. Because like I said, this is the second time that I've worn Audrina. And she's not ratted at the bottom. Nah, she's not ratted at the bottom. And you can just put her on and go. She, like I said, she's a really good everyday wig. If she does get a little tangly at the bottom, use your handy dandy scissors to cut her. But other than that, I also use this African Essence. It's called Hair Polish Oil Free Silicone Laminator. So we know that these are synthetic units. So in order to coat the tresses on the hair, I just spray this on my wig to give it a little shine. It doesn't make it heavy. It just kind of gives it that shine, and it smells good. It doesn't have that wig smell. So I usually do that, and then, you know, I'm ready to go. So you guys let me know what you think of Mrs. Audrina, and if you have her, if you're looking to purchase her. Like I said, here we go. We got some little stringlies. And then I would just take them and kind of just do like a little downward cut, just to get rid of that. But other than that, like I said, Audrina is the bomb. Let me know what you guys think. Do you have her in other colors? I may pick her up in another color, but I do like this number 2 for right now. So you guys let me know what you think of Miss Audrina. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now. Subscribe, hit the like button, leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you like what I'm doing, and should I continue, because I am. But next time, like I said, bring a friend so your friend can see what I got going on over here on CG on Trend. So with that being said, CG on Trend is gonna sign out, and I will see you in my next video.